underperforming proxy can throw off your entire routing logic. Let me show you how to test your proxies and only keep the ones your infrastructure can trust. Testing proxies isn't just about seeing if they respond. It's about verifying performance, reliability, and compatibility under real-world conditions, so your systems stay fast, stable, and production-ready. By identifying issues like IP leakage, blacklisting, or geo mismatch early, you avoid silent failures and protect your infrastructure from unnecessary risk. So, how do you test the quality of proxies and make sure they work? Here are 4 simple ways to do it, so you always use high-quality proxies that match your project needs. IPRoyal IP address lookup. Start with this tool to quickly confirm that your proxy is active and routing traffic from the expected IP location. All you have to do is turn your proxy on and visit the IPRoyal IP address lookup page. You'll see the proxy's IP address, location, ISP, and other useful information right away. If the IP location displayed on the site matches your proxy setup, it means your proxy is routing traffic correctly. If it doesn't, it's a sign that your proxy might not be active or configured properly, and you'll want to troubleshoot before moving forward. IP databases. Sites like IP to location or IP info can show you more detailed geolocation data about your proxy. But most importantly, they can show you whether it's recognized as a proxy, which is crucial if you need to stay undetected during scraping, data collection, or other sensitive operations. Here's how to use them. Turn your proxy on and visit any of these websites. You'll see precise location data about your proxy and ISP, whether it's recognized as a proxy, and its fraud score. This step helps you confirm that your proxies are operating from the correct geo-targeted location, undetectable to anti-bot systems, and not associated with spam, abuse, or previously flagged activity. But even though this information is valuable, it's not enough if you're running workflows that rely on consistent speed, uptime, and domain-specific reliability like scraping, SEO monitoring, or ad verification. You also need to know how your proxies perform when making requests to the websites or services you plan to target. That brings us to the most advanced testing method using the IPRoyal Proxy Tester. Our free proxy tester lets you test entire proxy lists quickly, accurately, and at scale. Whether you're using premium proxies from IPRoyal or another provider, this easy-to-use Windows tool helps you check compatibility with your target website. You can use it to check the proxy type, live connection status, response speed for a specific domain, and whether it's functional or blocked. As soon as the testing is complete, you can export all working proxies in one click. This will save you hours of manual filtering and reduce the risk of running broken IPs in production. Here's how to use it. Download and install the free proxy tester from the IPRoyal website. Enter your target domain, select a proxy protocol, or leave it on auto detect and click the Add Proxies button. Next, choose your proxy format, paste your entire list, and click Submit. Click the Test button to begin, and the tool will automatically check the type, response speed, and connection status of each proxy within seconds. Once complete, click Export Working Proxies to instantly download a clean TXT file with proxies that are verified and ready to deploy. Whether you're scraping, verifying ads, or managing geosensitive operations, IPRoyal Proxy Tester ensures you're working with clean, fast, and compatible proxies that won't break your workflows. But what if you just need to quickly test a proxy list without checking it against a specific domain? In that case, use IPRoyal's online proxy checker. This tool is a fast, lightweight alternative to our advanced proxy tester. It's perfect for general health checks, whether you're vetting a new batch of proxies or need a quick snapshot of their status. Just choose your proxy format, paste your proxy list into the empty field, and click the Begin Test button. In just a few seconds, you'll get important information, including IP location, proxy type, connection status, HTTP status code, and connection speed. The online proxy checker offers a quick and easy way to verify large proxy lists before deeper testing or deployment, so it's ideal for routine checks and initial filtering. Whether you're managing a single scraper or scaling a distributed system, testing your proxies ensures your data operations stay fast, accurate, and undetectable. These 4 simple methods will help you do that while also avoiding bans, failed requests, and costly downtime. If you need proxies built to perform under real-world conditions and a team that understands the architecture behind them, connect with IPRoyal. We'll help you design a proxy strategy that fits your infrastructure and scales with your goals.